Shandong High-Top Machinery Company Limited, established in 1980, is an important and large construction engineering equipment joint stock enterprise group. It has several wholly owned subsidiaries. Company headquarters is located at National High-Tech Zone, Jinan City, Shandong Province. CNMC Group's manufacturing area is comprised of 50,000 square meters, where 2,000 people were employed full-time. In the past more than 30 years, the company always upheld the scientific management of modern enterprises model, rapid rise to become a leader in machinery manufacturing area. Its service scope covers critical economic fields such as construction engineering equipment, mining machinery, rock drilling equipment, steel, etc. CNMC Group got ISO 9001 International Quality System Certification, European Union CE certification, SGS certification, and Russian GOST certification. Scientific innovation is CNMC motive power. We actively cooperate with the well-known domestic institutions to carry out science research and development.